Everyone sees the end results. They see that you've landed the contracts, you got a big team in place doing all the work, they see the income coming in, they see that you're clearly successful. But no one sees what happens before that. They don't see the message you get every once in a while, 6 a.m. from a cleaner who just can't make it in. They don't see that you have to deal with a customer every now and again who's going to call you and just be super stressed out about a thing that you didn't even witness. Or what about the fact that you put out a proposal to a dream client 3 weeks ago and you haven't heard anything from them? Or the fact that payroll, no matter what's going on in the world, is due on Friday. See, that right there is just a few things you're going to deal with as a cleaning business owner. But make no mistake about it, this business is not difficult. My point in this video is to let you know that what your day-to-day is going to look like is going to largely depend on where you are with your business at the moment. Because if you had this business at $5,000 a month, your day is going to look completely different than this cleaning business at $30,000 per month and beyond. So my goal here is to make sure that you leave this video understanding completely what you're going to be doing day to day at each important phase. Now, there are 3 key phases that every cleaning business owner goes through, starting with the beginning phase. Then it goes to the freedom stage, and then ultimately the scaling stage. Your day-to-day is going to shift each time. So let's start right now. Let's not play any games, starting with stage number 1, the beginning stage. So what is your day going to look like? You've just started this thing, right? And you're like, all right, like what should your day look like? You're going to be the person doing the quoting. You're going to be doing the follow-up. You're going to be checking in on the cleaners. I mean, you're going to be doing the marketing. You're going to be wearing many hats in the beginning, which I know that may sound intimidating, but I assure you it's not. It's not because of a few reasons. One, we just focus on high ticket clients. A small amount of clients is going to take you really, really far. In the beginning though, all of these tasks, believe it or not, it's only going to take you about 1 to 2 hours of actual focus. But bare minimum, you're going to need to be on your laptop. You're going to need to be focused part of your day on just getting customers. No matter what you do there, I have plenty of marketing videos on that, but that's going to be a part of that. Part of that hour, I would say maybe at least the whole hour doing that. Everything else you can start handling bit by bit, but in the very beginning, put all your attention on getting the first client. That's what you're going to be spending your time on. You could be doing it through email. You could pay other people to do it. It doesn't really matter. The point is that's where your focus is going to be. Now, let's say once you land your first client, what's going to shift a little bit? Your day-to-day starts to shift a little bit because you're going to be pitching in on the actual recruiting. And essentially what we do is we put a job post on Indeed and we monitor that. We take the people we like and then we invite them to a group interview on Zoom. That way we can get it all done, packed at once per week. And the people we don't, we just kind of move on. So essentially it's just going to be, you're going to spend your time marketing. You're going to dedicate some time to going to meet your client. Then once you get the client, you're going to spend time training them at night, which again, for commercial cleaning, it's not that big of a deal. Because even if you are a complete beginner who's never done this before, rest assured you could hire experienced cleaners and lean on their expertise because after all, it is just cleaning. But this is going to be what your life is going to look like day to day until you get to stage number 2, which happens to be my favorite stage, and I've called it the freedom stage. The freedom stage is when your company, your commercial cleaning company is doing between $10,000 and $30,000 per month. Why I call that the freedom stage is because you can start backing up. You can start shedding some of those hats. What I mean is you could start taking, let's say, the marketing hat. By that time, you should have a system dialed in. You can either automate it or you can pay someone to do the service for you. So now all of a sudden, you're not really thinking about that. What about recruiting? Well, recruiting, you're going to take one or two of your top people and you're going to say, hey, Sarah, I want you to take over Indeed. Put the job post up. I want you to cycle through the best people, get them onto a group interview, and I want you to interview people once a week on a Zoom call and just find our people. If there are people, they really feel like they'd be a great fit, invite them to train in person. And then your other manager is going to handle a lot of the in-person stuff. This is what I love about this part, because you've given up so much already in your company. You're delegating already. You're pulling in more profit. Let's just say you're at $25,000 per month and you're taking roughly $8,000 or $9,000 home. I mean, think about that. You have two part-time managers, and one is focusing on your Indeed apps, and they're only inviting the best of the best, and then they're putting them on a Zoom call once a week, and they're doing the Zoom interview, and then they're picking the winners and sending them to an on-site training where your other manager who's going to train them and get them ready and make sure that everything stays high quality. All of this is going on while you are sitting home. Is this remote? No, this is automation through delegation. It's a much safer, much easier model. And in this stage, your day-to-day becomes easy. I'm not saying you are 100% kicked back. No, you're always going to have something to do with sales, which is a good thing. It's nice to go out there and meet people. It's nice to check in on your team every now and again. It's nice to read their end-of-day reports and make sure people are being treated good and everyone is happy. That becomes your day in the freedom stage. And it's why, in my view, a lot of my clients like to get there and stay there, which if you would like help doing that, click the first link in the description. Now, let's talk about stage 3. Stage number 3, scaling stage. This is going from $30,000 per month to $83,000 per month and beyond. I'm gonna tell you something. For me, my day completely changed. And I truly believe that you don't have to do this, or you don't have to go to $1 million just for the sake of $1 million, because things change. Your day changes. And you may be thinking, why? I mean, aren't you automated? Yes, you are. But all the systems that involve getting to a point where you're doing about $30,000 per month, going from 30 to 50, there's a noticeable change. All of your systems get stress tested. Okay. Now, if you are thriving, let's say you're completely thriving, you're not having any challenges, you're like, dude, I can double this. That's how easy it is. And it's like, yes, you can in theory. But like I said, your systems will be stress tested in a major way. Your sales are going to be more challenging. Your marketing is going to be more challenging because specifically, your day is going to look like this. The same marketing that took you to $30,000 per month, you can continuously do it to get to $1 million, but it will be harder and slower that way. So it's always smart to add more channels for client acquisition. That's always going to be a smart thing to do, to say, well, you know what? I guess let's test ads out, or let's test this out. Let's test this out. So you're going to be doing a lot more testing there. So you're going to be investing more money into your marketing, which is always a good thing. It's the best way to get ROI on your business, but it is also scary, especially if you don't know what you're doing, because a lot of it is just educated guessing when you don't have proven winners to fall back on. So a lot of your day is that you're learning those skill sets. And recruiting, even though your team is handling recruiting for you, it's still something you always want to oversee. Well, what about your customers in general? Well, that becomes more challenging, because from 10 to 30,000, I mean, we're talking about 4 to 7 clients. That's easy. You can manage 4 to 7 in your sleep, but going from 7 to 14, that's challenging. Not the most challenging thing ever in the world. It's still not rocket science. This still is a simple business. I'm just saying you can be so much less involved making $10 to $12 or even $15,000 per month in your pocket. You could be so much less involved and have a business that is relatively low stress than if you just say, nope, I'm scaling this thing to $1 million just because I want to do it. Look, I've done it, and I'm telling you right now, if I could do it all over again, I would absolutely do it all over again. Like, scaling's great. I'm not trying to scare you away from it. I'm just saying at every stage, your life is going to be different. It just depends. What do you want? Do you want to run a smaller operation, make great money, have complete peace about it? Or do you want the freedom, but you also want a little bit more of a challenge? You want to see if you have it in you to hit a 7-figure number. I know I didn't believe it. Coming from where I came from, I didn't have anyone to model personally to say that person built a 7-figure business, so I can totally do it. And that ended up being a major driving force. But no matter what stage you're at, you will have your challenges. But with this business, when you do things the right way, you're going to have much more to be happy about than you do to complain about. So if you're up for this challenge, you just need a little bit of help, watch this video right here. I'll show you how we can help you do it.